Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing tonight? I hope all is well. I am here with just a quick update for you guys. I'm not going to keep you long. We literally just got off a call about an hour ago in our Facebook group live for copy and paste ads. We've got some new features that's been added, and I just want to tell you guys about it real quick, okay? The sales page has been updated, guys. Okay, so if you go in your back office, if you go to the sales page and watch that video, they have updated it with this information that I'm getting ready to explain to you. Okay, but I'm going to tell you what it is real quick here. Okay, so when you go in your back office, it'll be this video right here. Just watch that video. You'll see the new update. But let me show you what it is real quick here. I made some quick notes. Okay, basically, you know, we just talked about adding the voicemail. Okay, this is going to be even better than the voicemail. Putting a phone number on your ad and letting someone leave a message. You're not even going to have to do that anymore, guys. They basically have added the SMS phone leads in a sense to this system. It's just that you're not going to have to pay for it. So how this works is, okay, what's going to happen, I'm going to give you an example. Let's say I place an ad and I say make 100 to 300 a day, and now we're going to have a promo code. Everybody's going to have their own promo code, which is going to be your username. Okay, so let's say the promo code is Postcard Diva in my ad, and then I say simply text this promo code to this number. This is just an example. I just made this number up. And this is, once they text this promo code to this phone number, okay, it will automatically text them my capture page for copy paste ads. Okay, so that's going to eliminate you really having to put a phone number and have people leave messages or you text them or any of that. Basically, your ad, put your ad out and have it say text your promo code and give the phone number. And we'll tell you what that is. All that's being updated right now. They're going in the back office and they're updating all the ads, and they're going to automatically put your username and the phone number that you're going to need to use. But that is very powerful, guys. So basically, you don't really need the 800 link number anymore. Okay, you can simply just post ads and put your promo code and the phone number. Okay. Then, what that means is you can now follow up, because what it does is it puts that person's phone number in your back office. Okay, it's gonna, when they text that promo code to the phone number, it's that number, their phone number is gonna automatically be in your back office. I'm gonna show you an example. I'm not gonna show you the number, but I'm gonna show you where it's gonna be. So now you can follow up via text. Okay, this puts it really on autopilot. And you can now build you a phone number list. Okay, you're going to be able to build these cell phone numbers in a list because your back office has everything in a Excel spreadsheet. So once you build that list, you can go over now and get the system, the SMS lead network system. That's what I have, the lead network. And I will be able to build a list of all these phone numbers and bulk text them through my SMS lead network system. And if you want that, go to mobilemarketing.ws. Okay, all right, then the second feature they're going to add, this is going to be effective on Monday. Okay, they mentioned as of Monday you can go in and get that if you want. It's going to be for the members only, a done for you ad posting service that they're going to have just for the copy and paste ad members. So they'll have a service for us if you want to pay someone to post your ads. I know I had said I have a person, a service that I can refer you to. It will be able to, I'm going to compare it, but we're going to have that within the copy paste ad system. So that's going to be pretty cool too. Okay, and it may be the same one. I don't know yet. I'll know on Monday. But that's pretty cool, guys. You're going to now be able to just have your leads text your promo code to a phone number, and it's going to automatically text them your copy paste ad capture page. That's pretty cool. So let me just show you in the back office where the number is going to be. Okay, this is not a real number, guys. It's just a number I made up just so I can give you an example of how the ad, how you're going to look at your ads now. This is how you would place your ads instead of putting a link in there or 800 link. So let me show you where it's going to be in the back office. Okay, an example is right here. I'm not going to click it because it's going to show I used another cell number just to test it. But you see here, there's nothing there. There's no name here. It's just blank. And when you click it, it's going to actually show you the phone number because there was no email used, just a phone number. So right there is, when you see those, you'll know that that's a cell number. And everything is in Excel spreadsheet, so you'll be able to port that out. Okay, port those out and move them over to a texting platform. Like I said, I'm using SMS Lead Network, so if you're interested in that, I'll put that link below, guys. But that is the new news. I'm super excited about that because that's really going to simplify everything. So basically, you don't even really need the 800 link number. I mean, you can use it, but then you have to respond. Okay, with this, all you're going to do is put the ad out and just let the ad do everything for you. That's the difference. Because with the 800 link, you're still going to have to reply, you know, some form of fashion because you're telling them to leave their email or you're telling them to leave a phone number, which means that's another step you're going to have to take. Whereas if you just simply place an ad, for an example like I'm saying right here, place an ad, put your promo code, tell them to text the promo code to the specific phone number, and then it automatically texts them your website. Okay, I've already tested it 2 or 3 times. It's already up and running, so I can literally use that now instead of my 800 link number. So if you're interested in that bulk texting, go to mobilemarketing.ws and grab that system because you're going to be able to use that going forward once you build a list of all these phone numbers. Okay, because what are you going to do with them? Of course, you can text one at a time back and forth, you know, with your cell phone number or Google Voice. But with this, you're going to build a mobile lead list. That's going to be very powerful. Okay, so I highly recommend you building that list and then using a platform to text all those people. Okay, so go there and check that out as well. But I just want to show you guys that that's the new deal for copy paste ads. It's getting better and better, and they're speaking of other features and things that they have that's going to be rolling out as well. So you definitely want to get started with me in the copy paste ads. It's only $149 one time, no monthly fees, to be able to make $100 commissions over and over and over, guys. Just posting ads. This is going crazy. It's just it's on fire. That's all I can tell you. This thing is growing at rapid speed, okay, and it's just getting better and better. So anyway, that's all I've got for you guys today. Go ahead, subscribe. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And like the video. And I'll see you guys on the inside. Go ahead and check it out. We got a new video. It's updated with this information. Check it out. Opt into the page so you can see for yourself how it's all set up. So now is the time to get in this program. Perfect timing, okay? See you guys on the next one. Have a blessed day.